How to change the clock style on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, then tap on wallpaper and style. Here, tap on the left hand side panel at the top, that is the lock screen. Then tap on the clock panel. From here, from the pop-up, tap on the style tab. And here, if you swipe across, there are different clock style that you could pick. You can even display the whole calendar on your lock screen. So you can display the monthly calendar or an analog clock. So select a clock style that you like to use and then tap on done. And here, if you go back to your lock screen, you can see the update will now reflect your selection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.